let's look at a second loan problem. You want to buy a $25,000 car. The company is offering a 2% interest rate for 48 months or 4 years. What will your monthly payments be? Okay, so let's identify everything. First of all, the $25,000 is the amount that we're going to pay for this vehicle. So it's really the P sub 0. It's going to be the balance in our account at the beginning. So P sub 0 is 25,000. Um, 2% interest rate, so our R as a decimal is 0.02. We're going to pay monthly, so K is 12 times per year. And we're going to pay for 4 years. Probably going to have a pretty big payment if it's for 4 years. So our N is 4. All right, so let's go ahead and fill into our formula. So if we go up here, 25,000 is going to go on the left. Let's notice that we don't know the amount of our payment. That's what we're trying to find. So D is still going to be a variable. Everything else we'll be able to fill in. So 25,000 is on the left of the equation this time. On the top of the fraction, we don't know D. And then if we go up here, we're going to have 1 minus 1 plus R over K. So 1 minus 1 plus R over K, 0.02 over 12. And then it's raised to the NK power, negative NK power. So negative 4 times 12. And then we'll close that. All right. And then remember, on the bottom, we have that R over K. So R over K, 0.02 divided by 12. All right, now, let's go through our order of operations and let's work out what's going on over here on the right side. And then we'll deal with how we solve this thing for D. So we're going to leave D alone for the moment. I'm just going to simplify what we've got. Let's do, again, the little set of parentheses first. So I've got 1 minus, I'll do 1 plus 0.02 divided by 12. Which is 1.00166666, let's see, 5 6s and a 7. 1 6 6 6 6 6 7. And that is raised to, multiply these together, negative 48. And then on the bottom, our little shortcut, we can just use this part right here without the 1. Okay, so let's continue by doing the exponent. So we wanted to take 1.0016666667 to the negative 48th power. Remember what I told you, though, about a negative exponent. When you put this into the calculator, make sure you put parentheses. So I'm going to do this right here to the negative 48th power in my calculator. And I end up getting 25,000 1 minus 0.923 177,821. And then on the bottom, I still have that decimal. All right, now let's finish these parentheses. 1 minus the 0.923177821. And I get 25,000 D. And this ends up being 0.0768 22179. Move this up. Oh, it may not be able to. Okay. And then let's go ahead and divide this part out right here. So, I guess I'll have to take it over here. 25,000 is equal to D times, and I'll go ahead and divide this out. Divided by 0.001666667. And I get 46.09329 804. There's a 9 right there. Okay, now we just have this number multiplied by D. To find out what D is, let's just divide out our 46.093298804, and we'll find out what our monthly payment is. So let's divide out this number on both sides, of course. But of course, also over here. And we'll see what we get. So I'll put 25,000 divided by 46.093298804 into my calculator. And I've got, and I'll go ahead and round 2 cents here. I am going to be paying $542 a month and 38 cents. As I said, kind of an expensive car payment. Not that great, but still, it's a bit for 4 years. Fortunately, interest rate at 2% makes it a lot lower than it could be.